There's a cliche in Europe that South Africa offers nice landscapes, the Big Five, good wine. But what we should not forget, the country has moved up in its industrialization. In South Africa, we have portfolios covering safety, electronic devices for the mines on the one hand, and on the other hand, we have a portfolio on satellite communication technology, which we supply to internet service providers and to space agencies. We source certain elements worldwide, but finally, most of the value added is here in South Africa. Africa is certainly a rising market, and I think through South Africa you have access to a huge demand, a population of more than 500 million people. Of course, strikes very much affect us, and especially this year's strike, which lasted almost 5 months, has affected us. I think the only way that you can master these situations is that you have contingency plans in place. Triple BEE is certainly it is a major challenge, but I think it can be overcome. What we have done at Schauenburg is we have set up our BEE targets. We have a transformation manager, and she monitors but also executes herself these targets.
I put strategies in place to ensure that each element on the BEE scorecard is implemented. For example, right now we are implementing black ownership within the company. If we're looking at skills development, the other element on the scorecard, work very closely with HR to develop the staff within the company. So we try and ensure that we procure goods from black-owned companies. The poverty in South Africa is quite bad. Education is not as good as we'd like it to be, and with the BEE codes in place, it's really helping to sustainably grow South Africa and the economy.
We have a training academy where we offer the different disciplines like technical training or leadership training. Already this year we have trained more than 200 people, and I think it's an obligation of the company to train its people and to skill them up, especially in a country where you have such a high rate of unskilled labor. We have one big project, which is the Square Kilometer Array project, where 100 institutions worldwide and more than 10 companies cooperate. It's one of the biggest science projects ever.
We've got the contract for the SKA-project. We have to build 64 panel sets for the site in Carnarvon. We've got a gentleman here from Estonia. He's giving us the assistance and the transfer of skills that we need to build the panels in South Africa now. In total, our factory, I think, will have about 25 to 30 employees, so it's job creation, something that's never been done in South Africa. We've built one already, so we're looking forward to doing the rest.